This will be your next holy grail product for your braids. Trust me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Nishay. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. So we have officially reached the 3-week mark with these crochet ombre mini twists, and my scalp is starting to itch. We got a lot of product buildup going on, so now would be the time that I would wash my hair. But because of the way I installed this style, I really wanted to take a cleansing route that didn't require me to drench my head in water. I was perusing the aisles of my beauty supply store, honey. And a lot of the dry shampoos that I saw, they did require to rinse with water. I don't want to do that. I really just want something that I can apply and wipe. You see that? You see me? I'm itching. Ugh, that's because there's just so much product buildup. It's to the point now where wherever my hair is touching, if it lays on that spot for too long, my skin starts to itch. As I was saying, as I was perusing the aisles of my beauty supply store, I came across a product. And upon reading the directions on how to apply it, I'm like, this is it right here. So I'm gonna put y'all on because I haven't really seen much about it. It's the Jamaican Mango and Lime Braids Your Way Foams and Refresh Dry Wash. It says it effortlessly keeps your braids looking fresh longer. It's gentle, removes dirt and grime, and it conditions. It contains sunflower seed oil, aloe vera, micellar water, and vitamin E. It keeps your braids up to 45 days fresh with odor blockers. So no more sour smelling scalps. We tired. So I just want to show you what the hair looks like. So there is some buildup from the edge control. You can see it's starting to get flaky. Even on my scalp, we got some flakes going. The hair itself is just not as vibrant. It is looking a little dull. I do get a little bit of shedding. I get these little balls of hair coming off the ends of the twists pretty much all the time. It's not anything problematic. It's just something I noticed. This is not an alcohol-based product. So I used to use this dry wash. If y'all ever used it, you know the consistency is like a gel, and it's an alcohol-based product, meaning that instead of just removing the product buildup, it ends up stripping the hair and stripping the scalp. It leaves my hair and my scalp very dry, very stripped, and my scalp just ends up very itchy and irritated after using it. Now with this, instead of alcohol, it uses micellar water. In the beauty industry, micellar water has become such a holy grail product for makeup removal because it easily removes product. They're now incorporating it into hair products. We know how good micellar water is for the skin on the face, so I imagine it will also be really good for the skin on the scalp. Just based off of reading the ingredients and the properties in it and what it's supposed to do, I do think that this would be great for my sensitive scalp. If you do not know, I do have scalp psoriasis, so I have to be very particular about what products I put on my scalp. You simply shake to activate the active ingredients, pump directly onto the hair, distributing evenly through hair and scalp. Gently massage the braid and scalp to remove product buildup. No need to rinse. Using a towel, blot hair to remove residue and buildup. Allowed to dry. Use weekly to keep braids fresher, cleaner, and odor-free. So let's try it out. It smells really good. I'm gonna start by applying it on my scalp. Just focus on massaging it and removing the product buildup from my roots in the scalp bit. I have a little washcloth here to wipe off whatever I need to wipe off. From there, I'll go in sections and apply it to the hair. I want to be careful how I'm rubbing it because I don't want to cause too much friction on my hair, but I just want to rub it enough to lift the product. Really want to get into those parts. So far, it feels good on the scalp. I'm not experiencing any burning or any tingling. I don't even think I'm even getting a minty sensation. Not even that. I did that, and I'm gonna take the washcloth and just start just work in sections versus doing your whole head and then trying to wipe it all off at one time. At least this way you get a more precise cleaning. Wow. It's made with natural ingredients to help keep your hair protected, moisturized, and healthy before, during, and after braids. The sunflower seed oil helps reduce inflammation and breakage, which is awesome, especially with a scalp condition. Forgot to shake it, y'all. That feels so much better. It feels a lot more foamier. It also has aloe vera, which helps heal and moisturize. And y'all know how much I love aloe vera. That is one of my holy grail products for my scalp psoriasis. It contains micellar water. It's a gentle cleansing tonic to help remove impurities, dirt, oil, and buildup. Already my hair does feel cleansed, like that top layer of buildup that was making the hair feel weighed down. I don't feel it on there anymore, and my hair feels soft. It doesn't feel stripped, and it smells really good. I'm about to use my three-way mirror to see if I could really get into these parts of my head. So I just put my hair up into a ponytail, and now I'm going in between those zigzag braids that I made. What you'll love about this product is that it helps wash away dirt, grime, oils, product buildup, and odor. It revives, renews, and refreshes your hair and scalp. It's fast drying and it conditions. I really am just trying to cover as much of my scalp as possible, making sure my scalp is clean. I love that when you apply it, you can hear it foaming. You can hear the active ingredients working, is what I feel like it sounds like. And then I usually just rub it in until I no longer can hear the foam bubbling. I'm telling you, I really love this little mirror. I can see what I'm doing and y'all can see what I'm doing. We here. I see you, you see me, and I can see the back of my head. It's just great. Y'all hear that? That's some active ingredients at work. I hope that was some good ASMR. I do think I need to go over the front again because there was just so much product buildup that I'm still seeing a little bit of specks in there. To be honest, I'd probably use this every day just to remove edge control. This is a good product to use just to clean your edges before bed. The alternative to doing this would literally be to shampoo your edges at night. And I think this is a solid alternative. This is what it's looking like so far. Just gonna put everything up and I'm gonna take down the hair in sections and cleanse it. Take a small little handful from the back. But I wanna be able to coat each strand. It's easy to coat each strand because it's foam, so it's like mousse. So it glides through the hair just as easily. Now I'm gonna take the washcloth and I'm just gonna squeeze it on out. And look at that. I see the curls already coming back. Okay. And then lastly, it also contains vitamin E, which helps support healthy scalp and hair. It says it's free from alcohol, mineral oil, petroleum, parabens, and sulfates. So this is what they look like before. And this is what it looks like after. So you can see the difference. These look more defined, they look juicy, they look revived. These look more dull. They just look dull and dry. I can feel my scalp getting dry, so I know I'm definitely gonna have to go in with at least some oil after this. Shaking the bottle makes a big difference in how the foam comes out and how it feels. So make sure you shake it up before each time you use it on a section. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. It's had a little bit of time to dry. It's still a little wet. I'm gonna just put a little oil on my scalp. I don't wanna layer too much product back on my hair after just cleansing it. And this should be enough for now. My hair just feels soft. It doesn't feel weighed down. It doesn't feel hard or crunchy or anything. It feels soft, especially after putting the oil on it. My roots, they feel really soft. And even when it's drying down, my hair smells like nothing. I would hate to have to put edge control back on this tomorrow. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna have to tomorrow morning because who going out in public like that? Not me. I love it. If I had to rate this right now, I would give this a solid 8.5 out of 10. No, 9. I would give this 9.3. Actually, I would give this a 9.3 out of 10. I love the ease of application. I love that it's a foam, it's not a gel, so it's very lightweight on your head. It's easy to apply, it's easy to rub in, it's easy to wipe away. It dries down pretty quickly. I like the scent. I like that it's not irritating to the scalp. When you spray it, it's not burning the scalp. The scent isn't strong. Even when it dries down, it leaves the hair soft. And this is human hair, so it left the twist defined. It definitely rejuvenated their hair. You know, the twists don't look dull anymore. This right here, holy grail product. It is scalp condition friendly. Or even if you have a sensitive scalp, this is scalp psoriasis approved by yours truly. Get you one of these. Okay? That's it for me, and that's it for this video. Try this out. She's that girl. As always, please like the video. Feel free to leave any questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. God bless. Usually I end up having to take styles out sooner than I would like to because my scalp is just on fire. Now that I know I can successfully cleanse my scalp without stripping it, without irritating it, this has changed the game, baby. These long-term protective styles are going to be long-terming. So we're gonna get at least another 2 weeks out of these crochet ombre mini twists, for sure.